Marcos from ECCPP Auto Parts, here with our updated tow mirror built for any 1999 through 2002 Ford Super Duty, F250, 350, 450, and 550. Our tow mirror is built with an integrated turn signal cover, manual folding, manual extending, which increases road safety and visibility, the same 4-pin mounting locations, and the same OE connector and an adapter for the earlier 3-wire round style plugs. In addition, our tow mirror comes with a larger upper adjusted power mirror with power heating and a lower panoramic mirror, with both having a measurement of 12 inches by 8 inches, and the mirror itself having an overall length of 16 inches when closed. Once extended, it measures up to 18 inches, maximizing your road safety and visibility. Our tow mirror is designed to be a low vibrating, high quality replacement for your stock mirror that updates the look and functionality of your vehicle.